from the command center, JW Solar USA. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a cabin filter on a Hyundai. So Veloster, guys can see this is the golf compartment right here, and I'm on the passenger side, right side on the vehicle. So in the glove compartment, there's going to be a button right here you can push to release the door. It's gonna fall off, and the compartment is all cleaned up, nothing in there. On the corner you can see two kind of a little bit twist, like a thing that holds the door. And if you spin this thing around, turn it, then you're gonna release and got this stuff out, and do the same thing back to the other. Okay. There we go. Now I get the light on. Then you can spin this one and turn. I gotta use my knee and push this one all the way. There you go. And the door is gonna fall down. Fall in the sense it's not like completely dropped and destabilized. There is a latch right here that holds the door. If you want, you can take it off. So right now you can see the area where you can able to go about change your filter. Your filter is inside here, and I will show you how to go about it. And I'm using only two hands to do all this. I need one hand to do this. I need two hands to do all the process. So stay tuned for that. Like and share this video. Thanks. Well, if you look closely, you can see there's a button right here, like a lever. Okay, sorry, the camera didn't catch that. It's a lever right here. You press and hold, and you can able to release this side, and this thing is gonna completely come out. Okay, so this is out from this angle. Sorry about it. This angle right here, and it's totally out. And you guys can see it has like two clips here indicated with yellow marks on them. So it shows the arrow pointing up. I hope you can see that. How you're supposed to insert it back into the compartment right there, and inside you will see the filter itself. So take a look at the filter. There's gonna be a little indication mark that tells you how the air is supposed to flow. So you see the arrow right here tells you the filter, the other side, the air blows all the way down this way and catches all the dirt from the other side. So let's take the filter out, and you will see how gross this filter is gonna look like. Not too bad, but look, this is the thing. So you want this charcoal black to face the bottom, okay, and the other side here that catches the dirt. So remember, when the thing was in the car, the arrow was flowing down, pointing down. That means the dirt, it collect the air from outside, and the filtration happen from here, and this is where the clean air comes out, from this angle right here. I hope you can see my finger. Sorry about that. But this is where the filtration happen. Look at all this mess and all gross. You know, you have all the cotton things, all the pollens, that's the word, all the pollens, everything coming out, and see all flowers and pollens and dry leaves and insects, all the dirty spot. But I can show you exactly what the filter shows you here, the original. And this is made by Fram. It's a fresh breeze, so it's going to be smelling really good. And this is the same thing we're going to use again to install the new filter. You see, absorb odor with baking soda. So guys, this is the filter I'm gonna be inserting. And make sure if you go to the store, you want to get the CF10709. This is for Hyundai Veloster. Okay, so you can check with the manual or check with the manufacturer of your vehicle, and you can able to find the model, or you can go to the store and use the computer system there and able to get exactly what is designed for your vehicle. But I chose to go with this. This one goes on my other video, you guys can see that's approximately 1880 something. So if you round it up, it's almost 20 bucks with all taxes. So it's 1885 or 1886, something like that. Check out my video when I did the oil change. You'll see exactly. I'll add the link on the description below. You'll see what the price is. And now we're gonna change that. This is how it looks like in there, and that's how the air flows. Let's go ahead and change that, and let's take a quick look again and see the dirt right here. And you're supposed to change this one every, I suppose it's every 14,000 miles. Yeah, 15,000 miles right there. You have to change it. So I'm gonna change this one right now. Stay tuned for that. Let me open up the box for the filter so I can able to use my two hands, and we have to go back the same direction what the old one, the one that we took off from the car. The airflow goes, the arrow goes on the bottom, catches all the dirt. The charcoal black is gonna be our clean air coming out from that side. Stay tuned. Well, if I can do a comparison, you guys can see the same thing here, and the airflow you see right in the bottom, and this is gonna be the clear white or grayish color, and here is the charcoal black. This is a brand new one, and this is the old one. I'm gonna be inserting, take the plastic off and insert the new one in there and ready to go. Alright folks, this is the brand new filter right here, and you can see we don't have no dirt in this one. Okay, it's really clean, and I'm gonna insert it inside. And remember, the arrow has to be pointing down so that control the air direction, the way the air is supposed to flow. So right now it's inside, everything just flushed really well. You don't have to worry about pushing any button or screw or bolt or whatever it is. And this is the cover, and it shows the arrow says up right there. That's how you should install it back. Right here it says up. So we're gonna stick it back inside. Stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I just installed this one because I have to use my both hands to do this. There's a flap right here. When anytime the air it opens the air back and forth. See that? That's a passage for the air. So there's all the arrows right here, indicators, the yellow one, to make sure they're sitting in the right position. There is another one here. If you want to take it out, you just press and squeeze and pull. See that? Squeeze and pull. Push it back and it's already there. It's not coming out. So this completes our installation. I hope this video helps someone. I hope this video reach a lot of soul out there, and make sure it takes about 5 minutes to do this. So you take it to the dealer, it's gonna cost you about $60 to $70 including taxes. But now I just installed it within 8 minutes on the video, because I have to take the thing from the box. I'm using one hand, and just to be comfortable. There's like a shock right here that holds the door. You can see it flaps up and down. So this completes our installation. Please subscribe, like, and share to this video. As always, check out my channel and go to my playlist and see all videos you want to see live from the command center, JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Subscribe. Bye.